Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to enable developer option on your Android phone. So let's go. First of all, go to settings option. Now scroll down here. Click on about phone option. Now click on version and you can see here build number. Click 7 times on build number. Then enter your password. Done. Developer option activated. Now click back. Scroll down here. Click on additional settings option. Now scroll down here. You can see here developer option activate. You can see here this is developer option. Now you can enable, disable any option from here. If you want to disable developer option, then just click here developer option disable. Click back. You can see here no developer option appear in additional settings option. In this way you can easily enable or disable developer option on your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video.